Airplanes are filled with hidden details that most passengers walk past without ever noticing. Some are clever design tricks, others exist purely for safety, and a few are kept deliberately low profile by airlines. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on the secret airplane features that airlines don't want you to notice. From the mysterious hooks on the wings to the strange line in the aisle carpet, and even the reasons your food tastes different in the sky, you'll discover the hidden side of flying. Stay tuned, because what you learn here might change the way you see every flight from now on. And before we take off, make sure to subscribe for more eye-opening travel secrets. Chapter 1. The Silent Counting Game. As soon as you step onto a plane, one of the first faces you see is a flight attendant greeting you at the door. You might think they're simply welcoming you, but in reality, they're often discreetly counting passengers. Hidden in the palm of their hand is a small mechanical counter. While you're finding your seat, they're ensuring the number of passengers matches the boarding list. It's a quiet ritual that ensures safety and compliance before the plane even pushes back from the gate. Airlines don't broadcast this detail, but every boarding is an exercise in precision head count. Chapter 2. Why airplane food tastes different. The reputation of airplane food has been debated for years, but the truth is more scientific than culinary. At cruising altitude, the dry, pressurized air in the cabin reduces saliva production and dulls your sense of smell. Since about 80% of taste relies on smell, food often tastes bland. To compensate, airlines season meals more heavily with salt, sugar, and spices. It isn't that the meals are poorly prepared. It's that your taste buds aren't performing at ground-level capacity. Airlines rarely admit it, but the environment of the cabin, not the kitchen, is what makes food taste different. Chapter 3. The Mysterious Line on the Cabin Floor. If you've ever noticed a thin line running across the airplane aisle carpet, you might assume it's just part of the design. In reality, that line is a hidden feature for the crew. It marks the exact spot where the window gives the clearest view of the aircraft's wings. During safety checks, flight attendants pause at this line to inspect whether the landing gear is retracted, whether the flaps are positioned correctly, and whether the wings look normal. For passengers, it's an overlooked detail. For crew, it's an essential checkpoint that keeps every flight safer. Chapter 4. The Real Purpose of Seatbelts. Airplane seatbelts may look similar to those in cars, but their function is different. In a vehicle, shoulder straps protect against horizontal collisions. On a plane, the lap belt secures passengers during vertical turbulence. Sudden drops or jolts could send an unbuckled passenger airborne, colliding with the ceiling before crashing back into their seat. For crew members who sit facing backward during takeoff and landing, additional shoulder harnesses are required. It's a subtle distinction in safety design that most travelers never notice, but one that plays a critical role in protecting passengers from unexpected turbulence. Chapter 5. When Lightning Strikes. Lightning striking an airplane may sound terrifying, but modern aircraft are built to withstand it. The fuselage is coated in conductive aluminum that channels electricity along the exterior without letting it enter the cabin. Sensitive electronics and fuel tanks are shielded with additional protection, and every new aircraft is tested with simulated lightning before entering service. Passengers rarely even feel the strike. Airlines avoid publicizing this fact because the thought of lightning hitting a plane can be unsettling, but the truth is that lightning strikes are routine and survivable events in aviation. Chapter 6. Headaches, Oxygen, and Your Brain. Many travelers experience headaches shortly after takeoff, and the cause lies in rapid altitude change. Within minutes, Planes climb higher than Mount Everest, where the air is thin and oxygen levels are lower. Although cabins are pressurized, they still maintain conditions equivalent to standing on a mountain over 6,000 feet tall. That means your brain receives less oxygen, leading to fatigue or mild pain. Chewing gum or sucking on candy can help. And airlines quietly monitor cabin pressure to balance passenger comfort with engineering limitations. It's a hidden trade-off between efficiency and human biology. Chapter 7. The Shrinking Seats. If airplane seats feel less comfortable than ever, that's no coincidence. Airlines have steadily reduced seat pitch, the space between rows, to fit more passengers and reduce costs. Adding just 2 extra rows can mean a dozen more paying customers per flight. Seats themselves are now lighter, saving fuel but sacrificing cushioning and width. The misalignment between windows and seats is another byproduct of maximizing capacity. Airlines rarely acknowledge this practice openly, but comfort has been consistently traded for profit. Chapter 8. Cabin Air and Dehydration. The cabin environment at cruising altitude is often compared to a desert. Humidity levels can drop below 20%, drying out eyes, lips, and skin. Every hour, your body loses significant water simply from breathing. While the air itself is safe and filtered, 40% is recirculated through advanced cleaning systems and 60% drawn fresh from outside. The dryness takes a toll. Airlines provide water but prefer passengers to request it rather than serve constantly. The unspoken advice: bring a reusable bottle and stay hydrated. Chapter 9. Entertainment Choices and Emotion in the Sky. You might notice that in-flight entertainment rarely features heavy dramas or overly emotional films. Airlines deliberately curate lighter selections, often prioritizing comedies or action titles. The reason lies in altitude psychology. Lower oxygen levels and stress amplify emotions, leaving passengers more susceptible to tears or anxiety. Add the feeling of being confined far from home, and a simple storyline can hit harder than intended. To keep cabins calm, airlines quietly avoid films that could trigger extreme emotional responses mid-flight. Chapter 10. The Mystery of Dimmed Lights. During nighttime takeoffs and landings, cabin lights are dimmed, and passengers are asked to raise window shades. This isn't about ambience, it's about safety. Should an emergency occur, your eyes need to be adjusted to the outside darkness to find exits quickly. Open shades allow crew to assess external conditions, from smoke to fire or debris. These practices are subtle, rarely explained in detail to passengers, but they are carefully designed to improve survival chances in rare emergency scenarios. Chapter 11. The Strange Case of Faster Hair Growth. Some passengers claim their hair seems to grow faster during flights, noticing stubble after only a few hours. While no scientific study has confirmed this phenomenon, theories include changes in cabin pressure, temperature, or stress hormones. Airlines don't comment on this peculiar observation, and it remains one of aviation's minor mysteries. Whether coincidence or physiology, it adds to the list of unusual experiences linked to long hours in the air. Chapter 12. Lost Luggage Secrets. Millions of bags are misplaced by airlines each year, with almost half lost during transfers. A short layover can mean your suitcase doesn't make it onto the next plane. When bags go missing, they may be rerouted or occasionally taken by mistake. Photos and GPS trackers can speed recovery, but unclaimed luggage is eventually sent to specialized centers. After 90 days, contents are resold at discount outlets, clothing, electronics, even jewelry. Airlines prefer not to highlight this system, but it is the final chapter in the story of a truly lost bag. Chapter 13, the science of turbulence. Turbulence often feels like the most dangerous part of a flight, but it's usually harmless. It occurs when planes pass through differing air temperatures or the wake of another aircraft. Pilots compare it to driving over a bumpy road. Severe turbulence is rare, and modern planes are designed to withstand forces far greater than what passengers feel. Still, airlines downplay the details. Knowing turbulence is the #1 trigger for passenger anxiety. Chapter 14, the mysterious hooks on the wings. Look closely at the wings of many passenger planes, and you may notice small metal hooks mounted near the top. They aren't there for style. These hooks are part of an emergency escape system. In a water landing, ropes can be attached to the hooks to create handholds for passengers evacuating onto the wing. Without them, it would be dangerously easy to slip off the wet, angled surface before rescue boats arrive. It's a safety feature most travelers never notice. But in rare emergencies, those simple hooks could be life-saving. Chapter 15. Why boarding always happens on the left. Passengers always enter from the left side of the plane. The reason traces back to cockpit design. Captains sit on the left, making alignment with jet bridges easier. Meanwhile, fueling, catering and baggage loading occur on the right, allowing ground crews to work without interference. It's an operational secret baked into aviation tradition, unnoticed by most travelers. Chapter 16, Secrets of the Pilot's Routine. 2 pilots in the cockpit follow strict procedures designed to minimize risk. They eat different meals to avoid simultaneous food poisoning. They divide tasks, one adjusting controls and autopilot, the other monitoring instruments and communicating with air traffic control. Checklists govern every stage of flight. These measures create layers of redundancy, ensuring safety even in unexpected conditions. It's a meticulous routine few passengers ever consider. Chapter 17. Why flight routes look like arcs. On a flat map, long-haul routes appear curved, often looping toward the poles. In reality, planes follow great circles, the shortest distance between 2 points on a sphere. These paths save fuel and time, even though they look inefficient on paper. Airlines don't emphasize this fact, as explaining map distortions often complicates rather than reassures passengers. But it's why flights from North America to Asia or Europe often appear to bend dramatically northward. Chapter 18. The reality of emergencies. In the rare event of engine failure, airplanes don't simply drop from the sky. Even without engines, a jetliner can glide miles for every 1,000 feet of altitude. Pilots train extensively for such scenarios, calculating descent profiles to reach alternate airports. It's why oxygen masks are designed to provide only 12 to 20 minutes of supply, just enough time for the aircraft to descend to breathable altitude. These systems are engineered for survival, but explained sparingly to passengers to avoid sparking fear. Chapter 19. Cabin Temperature Secrets. If you've ever felt unusually cold on a flight, it's intentional. Cabins are set to cooler temperatures to reduce the risk of passengers fainting. Warm air combined with cabin pressure makes fainting more likely. Cooler conditions keep oxygen circulating efficiently and maintain alertness. Airlines supply blankets for comfort, but the chill is part of a hidden health strategy. Chapter 20. Why planes are painted white. Almost every commercial aircraft is painted white or in light colors. The reason is practical. White reflects sunlight, reducing heat absorption and protecting the fuselage from solar damage. It also makes cracks, leaks and corrosion easier to spot during inspections. Branding and logos may vary, but underneath the canvas is almost always white. Chapter 21. Future secrets of air travel. The future of aviation promises even more hidden features. Concepts like economy-class lie-flat bunks, AI-powered meal service, and windowless cabins are already in development. Supersonic aircraft may return, promising New York to London in under 2 hours. Some designs even envision planes with transparent polymer walls, offering panoramic views of the sky. While airlines promote comfort, many of these innovations are also about efficiency, weight reduction, and fuel savings. Tomorrow's hidden features may be even more radical than today's. Air travel has always balanced comfort, safety, and profit, and the secrets of airplanes reveal just how much thought goes into every detail. From the hooks bolted onto the wings to the chill in the cabin, nothing is accidental. Airlines may not advertise these features, but they shape the experience of every passenger. The next time you fly, look closer. You'll notice details you've never seen before, and you'll understand why they exist. If you found these secrets eye-opening, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss more untold stories of travel and aviation.